There's a busy day ahead for NRAR staff. They're here to take part in a big training event, the annual Field Skills Camp.
I'm new to NRAR and I never felt more welcome. Everyone is very supportive. I'm really excited to have some hands-on training with this amazing technology, and I can't wait to work together with all these talented people that are part of NRAR workforce.
Trainers start introductions and go through the agenda.
Today we've got subject matter experts who are training our new staff in the use of operational technology. In NRAR we've got passionate and enthusiastic staff who care about NRAR's core business of protecting water.
There's a lot to take in during the theory sessions, but everyone is keen to learn. Staff get a chance to handle some of the types of equipment they'll use in the field. It's been a successful day getting the theory straight. Tomorrow, they'll put that theory into practice. Here at the Australian Cotton Research Institute, staff will see firsthand the kind of scenarios they'll face in the field. Pumps, meters, bores, irrigation canals. It's all in a day's work for NRAR field staff. Down at the dam, Clarence tries his hand at using castable depth sounders. They're a fishing gadget that can also be used to measure the depth, volume and shape of a dam. New trainees learn what they'll need to know when checking compliance and assisting licence holders on site. It's been an effective outdoor learning experience.
This fieldwork has been an amazing experience. Everyone has been so open to learn, and I was really excited to use some state-of-the-art technology that will help NRAR deliver their services.